I've managed to bring this one back to life. It's an old, worn and battered Abus, number 8560. It's had an hard life. Came to me, it was all seized up. So I've soaked it in some lube. And I've actually freed it out and it's working okay now. You can still see the gunk look coming out of it. But yeah, it works okay. That's the bitting on the key. So the bitting's not extreme at all. Look, it's still got all the gunk. But yeah, it works. So I'm glad about that because it came as a scrapper and now it's a decent working lock. So let's see if we can pick it now. You know what Abuses are like, they're decent locks to pick. Can't beat a bit of German manufacturing. I did pick it once it had come out of the lubricant, and it wasn't too bad to pick, to be honest. Obviously security pins in it. And there you go. We have the open. So yeah, not too bad to pick open. Look at the start of it. Yeah, I'm just happy that I managed to salvage it. Lovely old German Abus. Well, that's it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Ta-ra a bit.